In this video, we will show you how to replace your spark plugs on this Honda Civic. If you need any parts, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The spark plugs will be located underneath each one of your coils, and as I mentioned, the process will be the same for all. To remove the coils, we're going to start with the electrical harness. In this area, there's a small locking tab. You can either lift it up with a small screwdriver or just press on this area with your finger. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, just take a peek. If you see any funny colors, that would be corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Continue on to removing your 10mm headed mounting nut. Take hold of that ignition coil, give it a little wiggle, and lift it straight up and away from the engine. A quick inspection to make sure there's no corrosion, and we can set this aside. Now we can start removing the spark plug from inside of this chamber. To do that, we'll be using a 5/8 spark plug socket. Turn this counterclockwise to remove it. And there it is, friends. Alright, now it's time to install our brand new spark plug. Before you do so, it's important to make sure that you pay attention to the ground strap area right along here. Make sure it doesn't look like it's peened over and hitting up against the electrode. Now we can go ahead and put that directly into our 5/8 spark plug socket. You should notice it sticks right in there. Let's take this and put it in place, starting it in by hand, so we're sure we are not cross-threading it into the engine. At this point, we can snug it up and then torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now we can install our ignition coil. It's a good habit to use a little bit of dielectric grease right on the area of the boot that's going to slide over that spark plug. Let's take this and put it in position, making sure that it's going over the spark plug and the mounting stud. Press it on there as far as you can and continue on with the mounting nut. As far as the mounting nut, we'll bottom it out and then torque that to 8.7 foot-pounds. You can go ahead and round that up to 9. Now it's time to reconnect the electrical connector. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug. At this point, do the exact same thing to each one of your spark plugs. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.